Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup released by Terry T to tan sun powder various shades. This price is $63.6 for $. Color 1, Fair Bronze. Hydrating skincare-infused bronzing powder. Natural matte finish, smoothing, protecting, and nourishing. Color Medium Bronze. Talc and paraben-free, clean and vegan formula. Comfortable second skin feel, suitable for all skin types. Color Tan Bronze. More than just a bronzer, this multitasking powder enhances the skin's natural radiance, while providing hydration, smoothing and protecting the skin for a luminous, flawless complexion. 4. Deep Bronze. The luxurious, fully recyclable copper and silver case is inspired by the vibrant hues of summer, accompanied by a captivating fragrance, enhancing each use. Available in 4 shades to enhance all skin tones. If you like today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.